go to variables, and this is where I got where flag clicked. It was in events. Then in variables, make a variable. Hi guys, it's me, Ashwa, and just now I made this bouncy ball game using MIT Scratch programming. Let's play! First, click the green flag to start the game. Wow. No, what the? I've only one life. Yes, ball, don't fall off of this lovely mama. Game over. I was so close to winning. Yes. No, Bolly, don't leave me. Don't leave Papa. Come on, Ball, hit the paddle all the time. Nope. I'm down to 2 lives. Down to two. No. I'm about to lose. Aw, I've only 1 life. Yay! I still won with 1 life. Did you see that? So these are the game rules if you forgot. Press the green flag to play again. We can control the paddle by using the mouse. When the ball touches the paddle, the score will increase by 1. When the ball touches the ground, you lose 1 life. After you lose all of your lives, then it's game over. When the timer is over, but you don't lose all your lives, then you win. So now I'll teach you how I made this game. So first, this is where I got the backdrop. So you click on this, and I choose the neon tunnel backdrop. So then search neon tunnel or find neon tunnel. I'm finding neon tunnel. Oh, mama. Where are you, neon tunnel? Yeah, I found neon tunnel. Then go to this place. This is where I got 2 of my sprites. So over here, choose the ball sprite, and then go to this choose a sprite thing again. Then this time, choose paddle. You can go to search and type paddle. I found the paddle, except I'm just deleting the paddle. Then add this code to the ball. So first, get a 1 flag clicked. Then get a point in direction 45. This is how you do it. It shows point in direction 90. Right? So you can just delete and do what you want, like 65 and that stuff. So just choose 45. Then do enter. See? Now point in direction 45 came. Or you can select it like this. This is how you can select it. Then you need to get a forever loop. First, go to control, then grab a forever loop. Then get a move 15 steps. But since it tells 10 steps in motion, which is where I got point in direction 45, Then you need to go and type again 15. Yeah. Then just put it inside the forever loop. Then in motion, when you find a if on edge bounce, put that under the move 15 steps inside the forever loop. Then get another when flag clicked. Then go to variables, and this is where I got where flag clicked. It was in events. Then in variables, make a variable called timer. Enter. Then take the timer and do set timer to whatever time you want. Then place it under the when flag click. So I choose set timer to 30. Then grab another forever loop. And then go to control and get a wait 1 second block. You need to do exactly 1 second or else it'll be too quick, right? Then go to variables, then get change timer. Go to change timer by -1. So that in your timer, it'll be like, if your timer is like 5, it'll be like 5, wait 1 second, 4, wait 1 second, 3, and so on. Then, when the timer goes to 0, you win. This is for the next code. First, get another when flag click. Then just get switch backdrop to whatever backdrop you have. Then set score to 0. Then do set. Oh, I didn't tell you how to get score yet. You just need to make a variable again and type score. Okay. Then put the score under switch backdrop to neon tunnel. Then make another variable called lives remaining. But I'm just typing random stuff, but type lives remaining, okay? And put it to 3, 5, or 1. Okay? You can put it to 100, whatever number you want. But don't make it too easy, or else you'll win every single time. But if you do easy, then you need to set launcher, like timer to a lot of big. But for the next thing, then you go to variables again and get change and switch it to lives remaining. Set lives remaining to 3 or 5 or 1, whatever. Then get a forever loop. Then get if, then go to sensing and get if touching what, if touching, then play sound pop until done, then under play sound pop until done, you do change score by 1 We're not doing -1. We're doing just 1. 1. Then, under change score by 1, get a turn degrees. But it'll say 90 degrees. I'm fine if you say 90 degrees, but it won't just work well. You need to do it in an angle like 180, -180, 75, and that stuff. Get a move steps. But you can do whatever steps you want. But I'm just saying 90 steps. Then your first if loop is done. Then do if touching sprite. No, you're not ready. Then get another if loop. Then change life. Then under that, change life remaining by -1. Then get a wait 0.1 seconds, or wait 0.2 seconds, or wait 0.3 seconds. Those are the only ones available, or else it will be too slow. Then get another if loop. Then put timer equals 0. Then do stop all. But all of the if loops should be inside the forever loop we did in the beginning. Remember, get a when flag clicked, do forever, set X to mouse X. Then choose the add a sprite thing, but except don't press the top thing. When you see something called paint, go to paint. Then get the line tool. It's better if you go convert to bitmap. Then get a fill of black. Then press shift. Then make a black line. Then press enter. Wait, I think black line enter doesn't work. Well, let's put it like, yeah, Sprite 1, it worked. But don't put it in the middle. Instead of putting it in the middle, I'm going to erase this one I made. Then we need to draw it again, except we need to do it somewhere on the bottom. But don't go to bitmap mode. See, since it's on the bottom, it'll be on the bottom. You can just move it like this. But except I'm deleting this one because I already have one. Then for the line, we need no code. No code at all. Then we're going to make a game over Sprite. So first, go to choose a sprite, but press paint. Then we shouldn't. So I think we need to go to bitmap mode. Vector, let's do bitmap. And first, do the fill in whatever color you like. This color I want. So first, do game over. Make a G, then an A, Then spell game over. Then we need another sprite, except we need to say you win. But for the game over sprite, we're going to add the code. So the code is, it's simple. So get a when flag clicked. Then get a forever loop. Then when flag clicked forever, under the forever loop, do hide. Not under the forever word in the forever loop. Then you do hide. Then after hide, do if life's remaining equals 0. You can get that from operators and you can get that from operators and variables. Then, and under that if, then show. Under the if and then word and the operators being chunky. Then under show, do stop all. But for the sprite 3, which is the you win, then do when flag click a forever loop. Then under the forever word, do hide. Then under the hide word, put if. Then you use operators and variables again, and then if you don't have the timer variable, then go make one. But this is how you make a variable. Then after you do if timer equals 0, under that thing, do show. But now we need to do the motions in paddle and some stuff in balls. So what do we do? So if in the ball thing, remember all that code you did, don't delete it. It's just that we need to add a touching paddle. So first you go to sensing, then you do touching, which is the first one. Then do paddle. Wait. Paddle. Then add it inside the if. Then there's another if, but except in that if, you already know what to do. Touching paddle, instead of touching paddle, you put touching sprite 2. Then in the last if, you do timer equals 0, then stop all. But you can start playing. First, do maximize, which is over here. Do you see that arrows button? Then it goes to that thing, the one with 4 arrows, not 2 arrows. Then it maximizes. Then press the green flag 2 times, then boom, you get to play. So you can change the score, and you can change the life remaining, and you can change the timer. Just now, I changed the score. Like, if you want to change the score, like every time you get 2 points, 3 points, 100 points, 50 points, 2,000 points, whatever points, then you see the change score thing on your screen. Then you can change it to any number you want. For example, I'm changing it to 45, and look, see? Whenever I play, it increases by 45. Look, see? Look how much score I'm getting. It's just because my 45 thing. And I lost this time. But then you can make the score higher when you start. So first, do you see the set score to 0 thing? But you need to go to a ball for that. Then delete the 0 and do like something like you can do any number you want again, but for example, I'm doing it to 12 and look, actually 21. Then look, see when I press the flag, I start with 21. But this is too amazing because if you combine set score to 21 and what did I do? And change score by 45, that would be amazing because you would get a high score when you start. And if you want to change the timer, for example, like, do you see that set timer to whatever number it is? Can you see? You can change it to any number you want. Let's say, for example, I'm doing 36. Then look, see? There is 36 timer. And a last. So now I'm going to teach you how to change the lives to a bigger number or smaller number. So first, do stop game. Then do set lives remaining to whatever number you want. But for example, I'm doing 24. Then look, see? Now I start with 24 lives. And this game is so amazing, right? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This is my lucky day. This is my lucky day. I'm gonna win this thing. 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 Did you hear me? 2, 1. Yay! I won with 9 more lives. No. And if you like this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!